This lentil soup is one of my favorite soups of all time. It's so delicious, so flavorful, and who would have ever thought you would get all of that from green lentil soup? It's just as addictive and comforting. Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Cook with Rozina. Today on Stay at Home, I'm showing you how to make deliciously Persian green lentil soup. In Iran, lentil soup is commonly called Adasi. It's a popular and comforting dish and often enjoyed with flat naan bread. Okay, let's cook. To start, you will need peeled and finely diced 2 medium-sized white or yellow onions. Perfect. Now I have 1 large potato. We want to peel this up and then, just like onions, medium-sized dice it. And then to take care diced potato don't brown, I'm just gonna add them to a bowl with cold water when I want to use it in next step. Perfect. Now we have here 2 cups of green lentils. For this soup, brown or green lentils are most common. We want to give them a quick rinse for a minute to remove all dirt and keep it aside. Perfect. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons avocado oil to the pot. And next, turn the heat to low medium and add in diced onions. Perfect. This will add so much flavor to our lentil soup, so make it caramelized. Okay, now our onions are done. Looks perfect, browned, tender, and full of goodness. What a smell. I love caramelized onion. Perfect. Now season with 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder, salt and pepper to taste, and fry for a minute. I like adding spices at this stage because frying spices will give them fresher, brighter taste and aroma. Next, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for a few seconds until fragrant. Perfect. Add diced potatoes, rinsed lentils, and 8 cups of water afterwards. Feel free to use 1 vegetable or beef cube stock and add 2-3 slices of dried lime or fresh lemon juice to the soup. That takes it to the next level. Give a quick stir and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low to medium. Cover the pot and simmer for about 35-40 minutes until lentils are soft and cooked perfectly. Yep, it looks excellent. Let me give a quick stir. It smells amazing. Our lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. For a classic chunky texture, serve it as it is, or for a smoother consistency, use a masher and blend it briefly. Just 3-4 pulses is good and give a nice consistency to our soup like this. Ladies and gentlemen, meet my favorite Persian green lentil soup. This comforting, budget-friendly one-pot meal is a hit with the entire family. It's vegan, healthy, and absolutely delicious. Make this soup for a crowd, and I guarantee everyone will be scratching their heads, wondering what secret ingredient gives it such an amazing flavor. They will be begging for the recipe, and you will be the star of the show. Leftover lentil soup can be stored in a container and kept in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, or divide it in airtight containers and freeze up to 2 months. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. And don't forget to check out my other videos. See you in next one. God bless and lots of love. Bye. Or as we say in Farsi, Khuda Hafiz.